Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the raid market is set to Sol, only way. This unlocks specific vendor pools. Once confirmed, make sure you have 3 Sol affinity characters at required levels and the 10 Sol keys needed to access stages. Then open the market interface and select the Only Way tab. Choose the lowest cost entry to test mechanics. This avoids wasting keys. As you enter, watch the reward tiers so you know which fights yield the items you need most. Once inside, set your party to exploit Sol modifiers. Aim for synergy and elemental pairing that boosts drops. Start with 2 buffered runs using market buff items to claim the plus 15% drop and 2x damage windows. These conserve keys. Next, perform 3 normal rotations, optimizing kill speed and target priority to trigger guaranteed reward checks. Then reserve a gated run to push for higher tier loot once you've synced buffs. Make sure to complete your final runs by claiming all tier rewards right away and converting duplicates into market currency. This funds future attempts. If you're missing expected drops, stop and swap a character or add another buff stack. Sometimes a single affinity shift improves rates drastically. Once done, log key usage, drop outcomes, and vendor reset times so you can refine strategy next session. And if a run fails repeatedly, clear cache or relog. Connectivity hiccups can corrupt reward flags.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.